your arms in a waving motion, okay? Now, I hope you're not scared of falling, because the step that's most important to making a snow angel is being able to fall straight back, not move an inch, so that you can make your snow angel. Here we go. Make sure everything's tucked in, because you'll get some snow in there, in all those warm places. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can you see me, cameraman? Okay, now that you're down, you want to begin to make your waving motion with your hands, and with your legs. Oh God! And you do it like that. You gotta lift me up.